Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you the best way to bring candidates into your candidate database in Recruit CRM using our AI-powered resume parser. Whether you're uploading from your inbox, dragging files into the candidate database, or assigning candidates directly to a job, this process has you covered. The first option is to click the global add button at the top, the plus icon. Once you click it, you'll see the resume parser option. Select it, and a space will appear on the screen. This button is available across all your screens in Recruit CRM, so you can trigger the parser from anywhere in the app. The second option is to go to the candidate list page, click the drop-down arrow at the top next to the Add Candidates option, and select Resume Parser. Lastly, you can also upload resumes directly to individual profiles from the Details page. Open the specific candidate record, then under the default resume field on the candidate profile. Hover on the field and click the pencil icon, then select Upload. You can select the specific resume you want to upload here, and this works similarly as the resume parser. Back on the candidate list page, here's how to parse resumes and review the available actions. Click the drop-down arrow, select Resume Parser, then choose or upload the files you want to parse. The parser takes about 4 to 5 seconds per document, and you can upload up to 100 documents at a time. Once the resumes are parsed, candidate profiles are created automatically in the system and appear at the top of the candidate list. From this screen, you can review all newly added candidates directly. If any duplicate candidates are detected, they are clearly marked with a duplicate tag so you can identify them before moving forward. For duplicate candidates, click the Update Values option to compare the existing candidate information with the newly parsed resume data side by side. Any fields with detected changes are automatically selected and highlighted in green, making it easy to review them. You can then decide which values to update using the checkbox. If you do not want to update a field with the new value, simply uncheck the box and overwrite selected field values. After you update the duplicate records and overwrite the values, the tag for that record changes to Duplicate Updated. Empty fields, work history, education history can also be updated automatically using the newly parsed resume information. From the same page, you can also perform bulk actions on parsed candidates. You can either take action individually by checking the boxes, or use bulk actions such as assigning to the job, updating ownership of the candidate, updating any specific field, adding a note, adding the parsed candidates to hot list, or composing an email. You can also edit the details of a newly parsed candidate by clicking the Edit button. From here, you can open the Candidate Details form to update any additional candidate details. Then click Submit. Another great option is to go to your mailbox from the left sidebar, click it, and open the specific email with a resume attached. Once you open it, simply click on the attachment to parse it into candidates. Then click Parse Resume, and the resume will be automatically parsed right from your inbox. The fourth and final option is to parse candidates directly into a job. Go to a specific job from the left sidebar, open the job you want to assign candidates to, and click on the option called Parse and Assign, and you'll see the space appear again. Here you can drag and drop the files. That's it. Once you upload the resume, the system will automatically create the candidate record for you by extracting the information available on the resume. Or if the candidate already exists, it will simply get merged with the existing profile. You'll also get options to choose from if you want to assign the candidate to the job directly, or assign them and update the stage for that particular candidate. Choose the option as per your preference. Once selected, you'll be able to see the specific candidate right under the job in the candidate pipeline. If you already have candidates assigned to this job and want to add new candidates to the job while parsing new candidate resumes, you can do that as well. While on the same job, click the drop-down arrow next to the Assign Candidates option, and you'll see the Parse and Assign option. Click the option, and again you'll see the same space where you can drag and drop specific documents. And that's it. Hope this was helpful.